Hi there guys and welcome back to Just Allison. My name is Allison. I'm just gonna say for keynote 1, I will put it up in the card for you guys so you guys can go check it out, but it is also available. This one will also be available in the playlist, and then the second one I'll put at the end of the video. And then today we are reading to keynote 3, which is Adulting Made Easy. So today's title is How to Go From Lost to Launch. Your guide to navigating your 20s with confidence. Don't think I know, but don't worry. I will assist you when I can. So let's be honest. Adulting can be overwhelming. It can be stressful. It can be irritating. It can be frustrating. It can cause anxiety. It can, at the end of the day, hurt your mental health. At the end of the day, adulting, it can do that, okay? But don't worry, we've all been there. Sometime in our life, we were there. Some are still there, okay? I do have examples, but I first want to play something for you.
Here are some hacks to make adulting a breeze. Budgeting, take control of your finances. There are plenty of budgeting apps and resources available to help you manage your money effectively. Meal prepping. Save time and money by planning your meals in advance. Time management. Learn how to prioritize tasks, set realistic goals, and avoid procrastination. There are many time management techniques you can explore. I have an ebook called Conquering My Life with Productivity. Available on Amazon if you're interested. Put it in the comments. Not just time management, but so much more.
The first thing that I just want to hone into is budgeting. You first need to understand what is a budget. A budget is when you take your income and your expenses and you divide your income and your expenses into estimated amounts and actual amounts, okay? You get fixed amounts and you get variable amounts. So, and let me just say, fixed amounts is amounts you know what you're going to get each month, your salary. And a variable income would be, you don't know when the money might be in. You don't know how much it would be. So it is also part of being an estimate. And then you get actual, like actual expenses, like a cell phone contract. It needs to be paid each and every month at the same date. And then you get a variable expense, which is food. Okay, then you get estimated and you get actual budget. But if you want more information about that, you guys can go to the local bank that you have an account and go speak to a financial advisor or planner, and they will assist you to get your finances or the tax in a row. Okay, but as you heard, I do want to zone into three, like the three, when it comes to budgeting, meal prepping, and time management. I want to hone into that for a minute or two. So, budgeting, you play video of a few apps that you can find on Google Play Store. There was two, I used the one, it is Easy Budget, I think. I just love that app so much, but that is for tracking your everyday expenses. And then I take it off because I wanted to do it on a monthly basis. So anyway, moving on. But you can check out these apps, you can see which resonates with you. But if you want my assistance, in setting up a budget for you, feel free to put in the comments hashtag Allification Squad. Like under that you say hashtag budget, and then I will assist you in setting up a budget. I will make an example, but like a template. I'll make it for you, and then I will share it basically. And I will tell those people who ask me for it. I will inform them when it will be available. So meal prepping, you heard it in my video. I'm also gonna play a video here where I'm like showing you a few things. Guys, there's like one, I'm gonna let it come up on the screen there. You can literally make yourself like a box of this every day with a variety of different things what you can put in for work or college. And then Tasty is also like a meal prepping website that assists you in how you can prep the preparation for a meal. So you guys can just do it a day before the time because at night time good stuff. But next we're gonna get into time. I will not be making an example video of meal prepping, but you can put on a pot of rice on a Sunday night. Every night you can put it in the freezer. Every night you can just heat up the rice with your food, and there you go. Everyday rice. It's you. Saturday you can put it in a budget. You know, I'm gonna eat out, and on a Sunday, me and my friends, you're gonna come together and have a nice Sunday lunch. If you're far from your family and you have your friends, put it in a budget. You know, for Sunday lunch with my friends. Okay. So time management is the last one. So time management, I do have an ebook, you guys, that dive directly into time management, because if your time is not managed well, I know you heard it over and 1,000 times, but if your time isn't managed, breakdown, nervous breakdown, and burnout is something that is heading your way. Okay, but I do have an ebook. My ebook is like time management in there, my first 2 chapters, but I put it on my screen. Just like the 2 first chapters is about time management, and then after that is like a exercise of time management, and then it goes on and on and on. There's like trackers and then check marks to see if you did that what is on the tracker. And then there's like softwares you can use to help with productivity. Conquering my life with productivity. There's like softwares you can use and the explanation of each software. There's like, if you are feeling like unmotivated, there's motivated. If you are struggling with a bad habit, there's like a way you can break it down and then start building good habits. That is also there. I know I made it $100 is for this reason only. It's coming from my college years until now. It's all my strategies, all my hard work, my brain's labor work into creating that book. So I am busy with the paperback for that book. I added 3 more chapters. So I'm busy with it. As soon as it's done, I will inform you guys it is done. But that is the end of the video. If you find value, if you like had a aha moment, or something resonated with you, feel free to like this video. Posting my links here for my ebook. But if you're interested in my ebook, you need to hashtag Allification Squad and underneath hashtag ebook, and then I will send you a link. I will contact you and then I will inform you. I will send you the link of my ebook. So subscribe to the channel and follow along with the Adulting 101 series. And the only way that you will be able to follow along is if you can ring that bell, druk die like klokkie, and you'll be notified whenever I'm posting. Okay, let's create a well-rounded life together. See you tomorrow.